Hello everyone, hope everybody well. So in this video we are going to convert the Figma homepage header area to WordPress Elementor. So in previous video we already export all the image, also icons. Okay, so if you look, I already exported, and also if we go to the WordPress dashboard and in the media files, okay, so I already uploaded all the images. For this tutorial I'm going to use this Hello Elementor, and also in this for the home page I'm using the Elementor, and also for header and footer I'm using add-ons, ultimate add-ons for Elementor. Okay, so first of all you have to do, so I hope you know how to create a page. So I'm created pages, and if you see here I already designed our header area. Okay, so it's looking good and perfect. So how I did, now I'm going to again doing for you. Okay, so first of all we have to go to the ultimate add-ons Elementor. Okay, in the add-ons Elementor, first of all you have to create header footer, and you have to add the name, so like that, like header. Okay, and then what is the template, so it's a header template, and it will be your entire website. Okay, we don't need anything. So after you publish, and then we'll go to the edit with Elementor. Okay, so I already created, so I'm again creating for you. Let's go publish, and it already published, and we have to go design edit with Elementor. Okay, it's coming. So first of all what we have to do, let's see our structure. So how is our structure? First of all we have to change our design, all the design into the container. Okay, so we have a space between left and right, so we have to make this like that. So that's all. I added container, and also in the container I added grid. In the grid has two columns. This two column I added logo, and another second column I added container again, and in the container I added, it's called flex. Okay, flexbox. In the flexbox I added navigation and also button. So that's the structure. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, just add here, add container, here is drop, and now in the container we don't need any change. In the container again we have to add grid. In the grid we have to add two columns. Okay, one row. Okay, two columns, one row. In the two columns, one row, add logo. Okay, so site logo, here you will be see the ultimate add-on Elementor site logo. Okay, just add it, and now use custom image and then select the logo. So I am selecting the logo, already selected, and just paste here, already showing here. Okay, so let's see what we did here. Okay, it's everything false and just false. Okay, caption, sorry, image false, and then I know I added 30% width and max width 100%. Okay, that's the thing. And then go to advanced and align center. Okay, align shape center. That's it, we don't need any other thing. Also another thing we have to add in the container style. So okay, just I'm going to container style, just adding the color. This is the color code. You will get the color code into the design file. Just select container and you will see that color code. Okay, it first of all don't like this, it will be like primary color, like this, and then you have to do like just unlink the detached style, and you will be see the like that. Okay, that's the thing. And then I'm just copy color code and here paste, and that's the thing. What we have to do, again just add container. In the container I just added flexbox, and in the flexbox we have to add two things. First one is navigation. If we write here menu, and we have the menu, the UAE Elementor, that's called ultimate Elementor. Okay, and second one things, just add button. Okay, and then button just add here for here, and okay, right here bottom. In the container just add flex direction row, and that's it, and a space we don't need, and just end. Okay, that's the thing. And also first one we have to do align it in left, that's the things. And now in the column advanced, let's okay, we don't go to the advanced, just here align it in center, that's the thing. We don't need any other thing. And then just add width. Let's see, is there any width I added here? I didn't add it here any width, so we don't need like it. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to do the design button. Okay, so let's go to the click the button, and in the button what we did, we added the color code. This is the color code. I'm just here dropping the color code. Now color background, that's the thing. And also we have a text color. This is the text color code, and just I am here adding text color code, and also already done. And also we have to add the border type 100. Okay, border radius 100, and that's the thing. In the fading, top 20, bottom 20, and just unlink here and right 40 and left 40. I know that already, so if I show that you, it will be better for you. Okay, just click the button. If you see in the button, left and right 14 and top and bottom 20. Okay, that's the thing. And now we have to design typography. So I know the typography is enter. Okay, just add enter, size 16, and weight is semi-bold, and we don't need any other things. That's the thing. If let's see, is there our okay, capitalize all the, just here add taskbar, capitalize, that's the thing. And we have to add text book online. Okay, and if we looked, and there is a has a page. Okay, we have to again design the page. So all the typography is same, just here add the content and the menu, and go to the typography, just here add enter. Okay, let's go to the design files, and let's see what our typography. Okay, just here add click, and also we need to typography club. So I already selected typography. We need to enter medium 16. Okay, that's the thing, size 16, and enter is okay, is medium, that's the thing. And also need to color code, and we have to active color, that's the white, and also hover is white, that's the thing. If you will see, okay, that's the thing. And also remove the fade, horizontal fading, vertical fading, just space between 23, that's the thing. I know that. Okay, it's looking good and perfect, already looks like that. Okay, what I did here, okay, I didn't add here typography, that's the thing. Okay, no problem. So this is our main design. So this is we already added, and if you look at the design, it looks similar. Okay, so another thing we have to do, just main menu we have to add it in the appearance and menu. Okay, just here you have to edit the menu. I added about service contact us 3 menu. Okay, so you can add here and it will be show here. Okay, that's the thing. And publish, if we look at the design, and if we preview our design, let's see, is this clear or not? Yes, it's look clear and perfect. So this is the tutorial, and this is the header area. So we already convert our header area, and next video we will convert the footer, and then we will go to the other section. Okay, I hope you already understand how to convert the Figma design to WordPress. If you still have any issue or for structure anything design, you can just comment below. I will try to answer them. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.